my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here to share with you a Walmart and Trader Joe's grocery haul. This is my first grocery haul doing the personal points plan. So I'm really excited to find out if we have any major changes in point values. Real quick before we get started, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It just lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can keep growing our YouTube family. I do have a personal goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2021. So if you guys are not a member of my family, if you enjoy grocery hauls, weight loss content, subscription box unboxings, and honestly whatever other kind of chaos I can get into, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. Also, we are very close to our 900 subscriber giveaway. We need, I think as of today, 26 more subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, that's just another reason to click that little picture of me right down there in the corner. Or you can hit the red button down below that also says subscribe. So anyways, enough of my begging and pleading. Let's get started with our grocery haul. I am going to start with Trader Joe's first, and then we'll move into the Walmart. The first thing that I picked up is this lime, sorry for the shaking, is this lime Spindrift. You guys know I love my Spindrift, and I can get a pretty good deal on it at Costco. But I find Trader Joe's just has some of the extra flavors that you can't get at Costco. We got that, and then I got a case of the orange mango, which is another one of my favorites. And these are 0 points. I know there's a lot of controversy as to whether or not sparkling water counts towards your 64 ounces of water per day. I personally am going to include this towards my water intake. But if you choose not to, that's fine. Doesn't mean you're wrong. Doesn't mean I'm wrong. It's just a personal choice. And then also, I found this really awesome advent calendar. It is the 12 Days of Beauty. The cashier said that she has some coworkers to open this, and it's got some awesome products in it. So guys, we are getting our advent calendar stocked up really well for Vlogmas this year. I can't wait to get started. I've got 2 more I'm waiting for, so come on Aldi's, we need the cheese and the coffee advent calendars right away. But anyways, okay. Which reminds me, I have a few things from Aldi's and then Bed Bath & Beyond that I'm going to be showing you too. Just in case we didn't have a squirrel moment yet, now we do. I got a bag of the organic Trader Joe's popcorn. Popcorn is one of my new 0 point items, which I love popcorn anyways, and it was low point, but I've never tried the Trader Joe's brand, so excited to give that a try. I picked up 2 of my cod frozen dinners. These are now 6 points a piece, and they were 7 points before. They didn't have my salmon, though. How sad is that? I know. I'll keep looking. Then Ava wanted some of these pork and ginger soup dumplings. These are just basically like little balls of dough with soup in them, and they're really good. I could have this entire thing for 9 points. They are really good. Then I picked up some more of the Aldi, or the Trader Joe's. Come on, Jen, get it together. Some more of the Trader Joe's light string cheese. One of these is 2 points. I've got some more of my savory thin crackers. I just got the little ones because they're easier to eat while I'm at work. I can just toss it in my mouth instead of having to mess with taking bites. So just saves time a little bit, especially when I'm in between phone calls. And I can have 35 of these for 3 points. They're real tiny, like the size of a quarter. It's still big enough for dipping. Then I picked up some popcorn. I don't remember if I've had this before or not. I'm thinking this is one that I bought and my kids ate it before I could try it. But it is the popcorn with herbs and spices. I can have 2 cups of this for 4 points. And then, of course, what would a Trader Joe's trip be without spices? I wanted to get some more of the everything but the leftovers seasoning. They were completely out. So I bought a gift set instead. This entire thing was 10 points, and it comes with 5 different seasonings. Some of them I already have, but they're staples in my house, so I'm not upset about having extra. We have spicy Italian sprinkle, cocoa cinnamon sugar, everything but the elote or elote. I'm not quite sure how we say that, sorry. Then I was after the chili lime seasoning blend because I like to put that on my popcorn. And then we got another thing of the everything but the bagel seasoning. So I have not tried this one before. I have not tried this one or this one, but these two I have and I love them. Even this is good on popcorn. I just already have one that's open, so yeah. All right, let me show you what I got from Aldi's really quick. I've got my cauliflower buffalo dip. It is 2 tablespoons for 2 points. And guys, one of my favorite snack combos right here. The savory thins with the buffalo dip, and it is a 5-point snack. And then I got some dark chocolate pizzelles. These are 1 for 1 point. I like to put ice cream on these, or I also like to put the sugar-free or the fat-free Cool Whip on them too. They just make a fun little dessert. Speaking of sweets, I forgot to show you what else I got from Trader Joe's. I've got my protein bars. I love these. These are the Bear Bell protein bars. This is the cookies and cream. It is 4 points, which is what it was before, I think. It might have been 5. I'm thinking they were all 5. So this is a white chocolate almond. It is still 5 points. I've got the salty peanut, which is 5 points. Caramel cashew, which is also 5 points. And then they had a new one. This is the Holiday Crisp. It says it has caramel flavor in it. And it is 6 points, which is more than I usually like to spend on breakfast, but it's the holiday season, so why not? Alrighty. And then from Bed Bath & Beyond, I got 2 new skinny syrups. One of my Facebook friends posted a Christmas cookie skinny syrup flavor. So I was in search of that. I could not find it. However, I did find the sugar cookie flavor. Sorry about that glare. It's kind of hard to see. These are calorie-free sweeteners for drinks. I like to put it in my coffee, and they are 0 points. And then the other flavor that I got was peppermint bark. And guys, I cannot wait to give this a try as well. My favorite coffee combination is just a holiday flavored coffee or any flavored coffee. I add a little bit of fat-free half and half in my skinny syrup, and it is just as good as any Starbucks drink you could ever get. Except you have to make it yourself, so that's the big difference. My personal opinion, I love it. And then it adds some variety, so I'm not drinking the same thing every day. You know, I have the attention span of a gnat, so variety is good for me. Okay, now we're going to get into the Walmart haul. First thing, I've got some unsweetened applesauce. This is my baking container, and it is 0 points. I have the little individual cups that I like to throw in my lunchbox. This is the baking one. I've got some light Miracle Whip. This is 2 tablespoons for 1 point. I use this for baking, and I also use it on sandwiches and wraps. We needed some more cooking spray, so we picked up the Great Value olive oil cooking spray. Some more kosher salt for baking. I did not even realize I was out, so luckily I checked before we went to the store because I need this for some recipes I'm doing in my meal prep this week. Now this is a new one for me. This is Breyer's Carb Smart Vanilla Ice Cream, and it is a half a cup for 3 points, which is similar to the Halo Top, but this container was only like $1 more, and obviously it's a lot bigger. So I thought I would give it a try. I've got 2 cans of the healthy cream of chicken soup by Great Value. I picked up 2 containers of my favorite mustard. This is the Great Value or Sam's Choice dill pickle mustard. If you guys have not tried this, you are missing out. It is amazing. I love it. Then my daughter wanted some olive oil mayonnaise. This is 1 tablespoon for 2 points or 2 tablespoons for 3 points. And it's the olive oil that makes it a little higher in points. And then, speaking of olive oil, I've got a brand new bottle for baking. I use this very limited though, very limited, because I feel like it's a waste of points. It's just, yeah, it's me, whatever. Then I've got this Progresso Zesty Santa Fe style chicken. It is 1 cup for 1 point, or you can have the entire can for 2. I've got the Italian style meatball. It is 1 cup for 2 points, or the entire can for 4. Chicken and dumplings. This is 1 cup for 1 point, or you can have the entire can for 2 points. And this is one of my favorite light Progresso soups. And then I've got the savory vegetable barley. It is 1 cup for 1 point, or the entire can for 3 points. Next, we needed some tuna. Ava is obsessed with tuna salad right now. She likes to make sandwiches, and then she also eats it for snacks at school. So we've got 2 packages of the little 12-ounce cans of tuna, and these are 0 points on my personal points plan. I'm a big fan of tuna also. Needed some fat-free cream cheese for meal prep this week. We got a great big box of the 33% less sodium, I don't know, chicken broth. Ava wanted some queso. This is a Taco Bell medium queso, and it is 2 tablespoons for 3 points. I didn't realize she got the medium. The medium? Really? The medium is what I was trying to say. She's got more of a taste for spice than I do. I can be a wimp sometimes. Imagine that. Then I've got some more of the biscuits. These are the little Great Value biscuits, and I can have 2 of these for 3 points. Ariana's making some lemon bars this week, so I've got her some lemon pie filling. I don't know the point value on these, but if I decide to eat one of her lemon bars, which I'll probably try, but if I can figure out points, I'll let you know. It's hard saying. She comes up with some of the fanciest recipes, but this is one her grandma used to make, so she's pretty excited about it. We needed some more rosemary, because you know the Chaoses don't have any seasoning, ever. I needed some more unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is 1 cup for 1 point. It is just a Great Value brand, but it tastes the same as all the other brands as far as I'm concerned. I love it. I don't drink it plain very often, but every once in a while I do, and it's just a thick, creamy almond milk. It's the same as all the others. We needed some more bananas, so I just got a bunch of bananas. Their bananas looked good this week. It's been a while since the bananas looked good at Walmart, or any place really. They were sharp this week. Ava got this Fruity Pebble cake kit. I don't know point values on this. I might try a teeny tiny bite, but I definitely won't be eating a lot of it because I'm guessing it's not point friendly. Imagine that. Then I needed some self-rising flour. I saw a recipe on Facebook for apple cinnamon rolls, and oh my goodness, they looked amazing. So I think I might give those a try. We will see. If I do, I will let you guys know what I think. I'll at least show you a picture of the after, maybe in a what I eat in a day or something, but yeah. Ooh, I just puffed myself with flour. That's cool. That's cool. And then I don't remember what store I got this at. In fact, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and Steve picked it up for me. It's just one of my red trucks. I love, love, love these red trucks. And then it's red on the inside. I'm getting my Christmas coffee cup collection around, guys. This is probably going to go to work with me, though. So. All right. I think that is everything. If you have any questions, or if you want to know any other nutritional information for any of these products, please feel free to ask down in the comments, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up and subscribe thing, I would truly appreciate it. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.